Okay, 9 o'clock still. Well, 9:15. Two more boxes to do right now. Number 76 I'll do first. I have to open this case, you guys. It's my first case break, and I don't know. I just really want to open it. So I'm gonna. No way, dude. Number 87 out of 349. Wow. Kobe Bryant again. Um, Looks like a piece of like warm-up jersey or something, or a pair of shorts. And Will Blaylock out of 999. Might as well just keep going, dude. Might as well keep going, right? Demir Marcota out of 499. I hate Demir Marcota because it's like all in this box, dude. It's all I've gotten. I've got his auto. And I've got probably like 5 or 6 numbered cards. Wow. 8-way. Bargnani, numbered 40 out of 49. Bargnani, Bogut, Dwight Howard, Yao Ming, Elton Brand, Tim Duncan, Allen Iverson, and Shaquille O'Neal. I don't know why they put such random people on one card. It's like just so random. Um, 83 out of 329, JJ Redick, green. Some more base. Add to my base collection. I got 2 new Kobe jerseys. I might sell one of those if anyone's interested. I might sell the short print because I think I'd make more money off of it. Since I spent like 400 bucks on this shit, I might as well get my money out of it. Well, that's pretty cool. I like him. Jason Richardson out of 499. Jermaine O'Neal, 30 out of 349 jersey. I like Jermaine O'Neal. He's a pretty good player. Paul Pierce out of 329. And a Paul Pierce base also in that pack, by the way. Again. Where's my auto? Where's my auto? Not that one. Rajon Rondo out of 999. 5-way. Sebastian Telfair, Jason Kidd, Allen Iverson, Stephon Marbury, and TJ Ford. I like that card. It's not bad. And I got black TJ Ford. Jason Kidd's jersey's kind of like ripped though. That could be a problem. This must be my auto, I guess, huh? This must be my auto. Better be. I'll kill somebody if it's not an auto. Oh, night. Well, I guess that's not it. LaMarcus Aldridge to 499 rookie card. And yet again, numbered out of 249, Randy Foye. That was the last fucking one I got. I got 2 Randy Foye autos. Ridiculous. This case isn't so good after all, I don't think. I don't think it's such a good thing. But it's all fun, right? It's all fun. Elton Brand, number to 499. Marcus Williams, 10 of 49. Oh yeah, I didn't show you this today. Manu Ginobili jersey. Sorry, slacking. Um, Sergio Rodriguez at a 4.99, and 22 out of 49. It's not a bad card. Dirk Nowitzki and Jason Terry at a 49. The blue, I think it's the blue version. Yeah, blue version. I have a bunch of bronze. I want a gold version, man. 101. Gold. Are you fucking kidding me? Yao Ming to 329. I'm pissed, dude. I'm gonna take this case and shove it up whoever gave it to me's ass. 249. Demir Marcota auto. Great. Great. JJ Redick at a 9.99. And 153 out of 349. Amika Okafor jersey. $9.99 Josh Boone rookie. I got 2 more boxes to do too. I might save one for you guys if you guys are interested. Shawnee Williams at a 4.99. Sheldon Williams at a 3.29. And numbered 6 of 49, Jermaine O'Neal, Danny Granger, and Jamal Tinsley. Some Pacers mojo. I don't know, dude. I'm kind of mad at this box, case, to be honest with you. But I'm gonna go put these away somewhere safe and go get another 2 boxes and open them. Thanks, guys.